Do you know why I rebound? Because it's fun. I have some fun music today. Just come on and join me while we have a bouncing party. Just a little fun today. Jump over. Scissors. Just warming up. Heels. And toes. Heels. And toes. Back to scissors. Keep it going, scissors, singles. Heels to the corners. Front to back. Push, front to back. All right, we have a little 60s music today. Yep, I was born in the 60s. Can you believe that? Whew. All right, heels. Just getting those toxins out of our body today. Get that lymphatic system moving. All right, slow it down a minute. Just do some heel lifts. Okay. Let's do you know the hopscotch? Where you go 2, 1, 2, 1. So a wide bounce, and then your leg comes up like you're doing hopscotch on the ground. 2 and 1. Sweating to the oldies. You can cross your arms if you want. Okay, half jack. Half jack. To a full jack. Here we go. Good. Knees up. Make it harder. Put your arms over your head. Very good. Step side to side. Get a little breather here. Swing your arms. All right. Good. Overhead. Step side to side, overhead. Down. Make sure you're engaging that core. Now, up and back. Hop up and back. Other leg leads. All right. Good going. All right, let's do a heel lift. For right now, let's push down. All right, you ready for this one? Come on. I gotta turn this up. Come on, twist with me. Work that waist. Make sure you're pulling that belly button up and in. Oh, let's go round. Don't get dizzy. Come on. Burn some calories. Push. Really work it. Thighs burning yet? Round. Again. Here we go. You can do it. If you have to hold on to your bar, it's okay. Getting some cardio in. Burning some calories. Here we go, round. Now twist. Come on. You can do it. Having some fun. Woo! Finish strong. Woo! All right, if you need a break, get your drink of water. This is the last song. My pants are falling down. Whew. Here we go. You're going to do a heel toe. Heel toe. Yeah, make sure you're breathing. Breathe in. Get good oxygen today into those lungs. Okay. Now you're going to cross over. That's a little bit more difficult. Take some time. Okay, I think that was the last one. Maybe there's one more. Okay. Ready? Jump over. And kicks. All right, I'm going to slow this one down. All right, let's just end with this one. Just do some heel lifts. Bring the heart rate down. Breathe. Step side to side. And breathe overhead. Put your arms above your head. And blow it out. Again. Now, stretch all the way up. Bend down. Grab your trampoline. And squat. And then come up one vertebrae at a time. Oh, that feels so good. Let's do it again. Squat, up. All right. Let's go forward. Clasp your hands in the back. Pull up as far as you can. Back over your head. And pat yourself on the back if you kept up with me today. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. That was a lot of fun. Sweat, get the impurities out of your body, any disease, toxins you have, and I will see you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.